Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the front drawer roller in this LG refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Set the freezer tray on a flat surface and use the screwdriver to pry out the roller wheel from its socket. To install the new roller wheel, start with the peg facing outward, then snap the wheel into the socket. Slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.